What's the name? Yes, sir. How many we got? Hold up. How many we got?
Okay.
How many do we have?
Don't worry about it.
How many do we have?
This many.
This is my Uber.
No, I cannot do 5. I can do 4.
Seriously. We can't leave one behind.
I cannot do 5.
Osman.
I cannot do 5.
Alright, we're not.
Somebody has to hop out.
He did.
Alright, now everybody needs to sit.
We really can't leave one behind.
I'm sorry. You should have ordered XL.
I did.
No, you
that guy
didn't.
just
You ordered
fucking
Uber
punched
X.
it. That's not cool.
You ordered Uber X.
No, we can't leave Osman.
17602. I mean, y'all can cancel the ride right now and order an XL. I will not take 5
I get you.
because I only have 4 seatbelts.
Well,
I got it.
We can't leave Osman.
So what's the situation? We're getting out?
No, you all go home. I'll get out.
We're not leaving you either, dude. Theodore, we can't fit.
I cannot fit one more. No.
Come on, Theodore.
All right, how about all y'all just hop out? I'm done. I'm not doing it.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Thank you.
What are we doing?
Ride's over. Go ahead, order an XL.
Ride's over, huh?
Yep.
Wow, that's rough. That's a rough life.
Thanks for the fucking help, dude.
Thanks, Theo.
Wow.
Oh, wow, dude.